Did you know that your brain's primary function is not for thinking? It's to keep the systems of your body working properly so you can live and thrive. That's called allostasis. You could also think about this process as maintaining a body budget. So we need deposits and there will be withdrawals, and we can make investments. So an example of deposits would be a good night's sleep, nourishing food, a hug from a friend, kind words, a good book, a walk in nature. Examples of withdrawals would be not enough sleep, overly processed food, negative words from loved ones, anger, stress, and anxiety. Examples of investments would be exercise or learning something new, whether it be a sport, a math skill, an instrument, a new video game, or even learning just a new way of reacting to challenging people and challenging circumstances.